Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you about passwords application that launched in iOS 18. So, what's the password application? Firstly, discuss about passwords. So tap on your password application and enter your iPhone passcode to view passwords. So enter your passcode. So you can see here our passkeys and Wi-Fi passwords and deleted passwords, security codes and all the passwords and security. So how we can use autofill and passwords application? So let's start that video. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. Firstly, open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and you can see here autofill and passwords. So tap on autofill and passwords. So friends, autofill and passwords automatically suggest passwords, passkeys and verification codes when signing in to the applications and websites. So friends, this application suggests you when you signing in any application and passkeys and verification codes needs. This application provides you the codes and verification codes and passkeys for this applications and websites. So if you forgot your passcodes or verification codes, so this application save your all the passwords. So friends, you want to use the passwords during signing in apps and verification codes and any websites. So this application autofill your passwords and verification codes. So delete after use. Automatically delete verification codes in messages and mail after they are used. So if you want that automatically delete verification codes in the messages and mails, then tap on toggle and turn it on. So all the messages and mails automatically deleted after use the verification codes. So set up codes in. Open verification codes, set up links and QR codes with this app. So friends, you know all the information about autofill and passwords application. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to use passwords application for your iPhone, and if you forgot any passwords and verification codes, so this application suggests you the passwords and verification codes automatically. So you don't worry if you forgot your passwords. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.